Hi, welcome to a NX10 video tutorial. I want to do the Cambelt again in Siemens NX, but now a more easier version or simpler version, which looks like this. Looks very similar to the other one, but it's simpler. So let's have some fun with Siemens NX10. Let's start with a sketch. So I'll go for sketch, this plane, okay. I want a spline through points. This could look something like this, okay. Finish the sketch. I need a plane which is normal to the curve. So go for datum plane on curve, select the curve, and you could go for the start point or some point somewhere. Maybe this one, doesn't matter. Confirm. Then I need a sketch on that plane. Okay. This should be a line which is vertical, and the length should be, for example, 15. That's okay. Close this one, finish the sketch. Now let's make an extrude with that line. Extrude with that line. Make it symmetric. And let's say, for example, 10 to both sides. That's okay. Confirm. Then another extrude with the first sketch, same direction, and again make it symmetric. Okay. Now let's thicken this one. So go to thicken. I want to thicken this surface, and let's say I want to have here 3 on both sides. That's okay. Now I want to add a draft. So go for draft, and the vector should be sketch 1 would be a nice vector. The line in sketch 1. Let's just hide it for a moment with that line. Pretty nice. Yeah, I didn't catch the line. I wanted the line. The line, that's more like it. Reverse the direction, stationary face. I have to show my body. That's the face which should be stationary, and then add a draft right here and a draft right there. Make it, for example, 5 degrees. Okay, now I want to thicken this surface. So go to extrude 5 and make it thick. Maybe 2 in one direction and 3 in the other direction. Or 2, 2. That's okay. Sorry, this must be -2, of course. Well, let's make -1. And confirm. Now let's move this before the other one and make this one Boolean operation unite. Confirm. And maybe I change the values, make this sketch That's okay, but maybe move this point a little bit like this. Finish the sketch and sketch this one. Maybe that value should be 20. And let's change the extrudes as well, maybe to 20, and the other one to 20 as well. Okay, let's take a look. Yes, and I might need an expression, so go for Tools, Expressions, call it tooth number, and the value should be 10. Okay, and now let's pattern this feature. So this thicken and that draft, go to pattern feature, and I want to pattern this thicken and that draft, and the path should be sketch number 1. This should be the tooth number. Tooth number, yes. And this formula should be the 100 divided by tooth number plus 1. That's just a safety, so I do not overrun the end of that curve. Okay, that's okay. Percent arc length, yes, that's okay. And use path method offset. If you use rigid, the angle of this one will not stay, so go for offset. Okay, now I want to make an edge fillet, so go to Edge Blend, change this filter to Feature Intersection Edges, and that's the draft, that's thickening, and right there just wait till the quick pick comes and go for the pattern feature. And see, you got all these edges selected, and confirm. Very nice. What's missing? But now nothing. I just have to change the use expressions and see if it works. Oh yeah, one thing is missing. So that's 20. Works. Go back, let's say to 15. Works as well. Great. If you want to have curvature right here, or if you want to have edge fillets. So if this curvature of that face should be the same as that one, you could, not quite the same, but similar to this one, go for an offset surface. So go to Surface, make an offset surface from, that's the Extrude 5, which is right here. So go for face, it's okay, wait till the quick pick shows up, and select the face of Extrude. Turn it around. This was 20 and I want to cut it off. I could go for 19, or you could do it with the expression, of course. Confirm, then trim the body. So that's not quite right. Go back to the offset. 18. Yes, 18 is okay. And make trim body. That's the body to trim. That's the trim tool. turn it around and confirm, and hide this one. Hide maybe the planes, hide maybe all the stuff which you don't need, the planes, the sketches, the sheet bodies, and show the solid bodies, and close. Nice. Maybe let's change this a little bit. And finish the sketch. That's of course a problem because I have to change the point right here, so maybe you should go for some point here, or with a distance go to the, where is it, location through point, go to arc length, percent arc length, and make it, let's say, 5% of the arc length, and confirm. Now it should work very nice. Let's change the tooth numbers to 40. Yes, works. So, hope you enjoyed this one. If you want to see more, give it a like down below, leave a nice comment. Thanks for watching and see you to the next one. Bye bye.